In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Pinterest desktop group. If you've ever wanted to collaborate with other creators or expand your reach on Pinterest, group boards are a great place to start. They're shared boards where multiple people can save pins around a common theme, which can help your content get discovered by a wider audience. First, open Pinterest on your desktop and make sure you're signed in so you can access all features. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right and click the search icon. In the search bar, type group boards. You can keep it broad to explore what's out there, or refine it by adding your niche like travel group boards or recipe group boards to get more targeted results. When the results page loads, you'll see a filters option along the left side. Click the filter icon to narrow what you're seeing. In the content types, select boards so you're not looking at individual pins or profiles. Then click Apply. This tells Pinterest you only want board results, which makes it much faster to find collaborative boards rather than scrolling through unrelated pins. Now browse through the boards that appear. Look for titles and cover images that match your topic, and consider the board's engagement. Things like follower count and how recently it's been updated can be helpful clues. Click a board that interests you to open it. On the board page, take a quick moment to read the description. Many group boards include short guidelines about what to post and how often. This helps you make sure it's a good fit. If it's a group board that accepts contributors, you'll see a join button on the board page. Go ahead and click join. Sometimes it may say request to join, which means the board owner needs to approve you. If approval is required, you'll get a notification when you're accepted. If you don't see a join option, the board may be closed to new contributors or invite only, and you can simply back out and choose another board from the search results. That's all there is to it. Search, filter to boards, apply the filter, open a board, and click join. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Having a clear profile and relevant recent pins can improve your chances of getting accepted, and joining boards that closely match your content will make collaboration more effective. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, try these steps with a few different keywords to find the best fitting group boards for your niche, and you'll be collaborating in no time.